Hi and welcome back to yet another video. So this video we'll be making manipulatives for fractions to show how to teach fractions, different types of fractions, how big are fractions, how small are fractions. So we're only going to make two of them and I hope you like and enjoy. So yeah. So one of the fractions that we're going to have is a sheet that can be folded into 1/8. So we're going to start off with 1/8. Then it goes into a quarter, opens up into a half, and then, open. Then we have a whole. So these are the four fractions that you can get out of this sheet. In the back, they're broken down into the different type of fractions, as you can see, so that the students will be able to tell how many fractions or how many of something you can get out of a whole. And then we have fraction cards. So we have a whole, as per usual, half, where we have the fraction and the spelling, and 1/3, where we have the fraction again and the spelling. So I'll be showing you how to make these, so please sit back and enjoy, and please pay attention to lesson number 3. So what we're going to start off with is recycle the paper, because we're trying to save trees, so we're recycling paper. And we're going to cut out some circles from our sheets of paper or Bristol board. Going to cut our circle, and we are going to cut our circle in all pieces of our Bristol board or paper, whichever one you're using. I'm going to use Bristol board. So I'm going to cut. Okay, so now that we would have cut out our circles, we are going to draw on the size or the type of fraction we want onto our circle. So what I am going to draw onto my circle is a quarter. So I'm going to get a ruler and draw on my quarter. Ruler. So I have my quarters on my sheet, and I am going to draw them over with a heavier line, different marker. So we have our 4 pieces, I guess, because they're not squares. 4 pieces, and we are going to write on our pieces. And here we have our quarter. Yeah. Alright, so after all of our drawing and writing, these are our cards. So we have the 1/4, 1/6, and 1/8. So those are the 3 cards that we just created, along with our other cards where we have our 1/3, half, and a whole. So there we have it. Now for our next one, I'm going to use construction paper because the students are going to be folding these papers. So I'm just going to create another one of these so I can show you how it is created. Circle is cut, and what we're going to do, we're going to fold our circle in half like this. So we have our hold, and then we have our half. Next, we are going to fold it in quarters. We fold it again. We have quarter, so it went from half to quarter. I'm going to fold it one more time. We have our eighths. Okay, so place our circle into our different fractions. So we have our whole, our half, our quarter, and our 1/8. Understood? So our video, we showed our circle that can be placed into different sections, and then a representation of each fraction so that our students can know what each piece looks like. Now, another thing we can do with these is we can cut them to show that 1/2 equals to 2/4. So I will fold this one in half. This is a demonstration. So if I was to cut this one, it would show that 1/2 equals to 2/4. Alright, so half gives you 2/4 equal to a half. And we can do those for the rest of our fractions. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. I had fun making these manipulatives. I hope you have as much fun making them. And I hope your students have as much fun using them. So thank you again for watching. Have a good day, and class dismissed.